Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix audio issues where you get no sound output on your Samsung Odyssey G6. Okay, so the first and foremost thing to do is to make sure that you have headphones connected to your monitor. The monitor doesn't have built-in speakers, so if you'd like to use the sound output, you will need to basically plug in headphones on the back of your monitor. And that's what it's for. It's just so that your cable, which for headphones it's typically always too short, it's around a meter typically, and it's just too short to like work properly if you have your computer on the ground or somewhere else. So that's what it's for, and you need to plug them in. But now let's get to the next part, which is changing the audio output device. You need to click on here in Windows, and then you will find the speaker volume, and you can click here to select the sound output. Make sure that Odyssey is selected and make sure that the volume is turned up. Another thing is to use the button on the back of your monitor and turn it down like a joystick. Then turn left or right to change the volume. Make sure that it's set to an appropriate level and that it's not muted. When you turn it down again, you can mute or unmute it. Click on it to exit. Now, when it's still not working, it is most probably your cable's fault. Some cables, the cheap cables typically, don't support audio transfer. Both DisplayPort and HDMI, but most likely DisplayPort. And then you may have an issue where you don't hear the sound from your headphones connected to Odyssey. So try another cable as well as try another pair of headphones, because that also may be faulty. Make sure all the cables are properly plugged in all the way in, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.